Flexi Loan, a unique facility that offers a host of benefits and savings when you borrow. The Flexi Loan facility gives you the option to get the loan disbursed either fully or partially as per your requirement at no additional cost. What's more, you pay interest only on the amount that you utilize, resulting in significant savings. You can prepay your loan in bar at zero additional cost. All this with the convenience of being able to access your loan details 24/7 from anywhere. Flexi Loan is available in two variants, Flexi Term Loan and Flexi Hybrid Loan. In case of Flexi Term Loan, your EMI includes both the principal and the interest. In case of Flexi Hybrid Loan, for the initial loan tenure, your EMI includes only the interest. You can avail the Flexi Loan benefits with the following products: personal loans, business loans, professional loans, doctor loans, and used car finance. Happy borrowing!